Hello, my name is Joe Cortez, VP of Sales of Alton USA. We at Alton USA would like to introduce to you an exciting new frame material with unique characteristics called DP780. DP780 is also known as dual phase steel, advanced high strength steel. This unique material is used by the auto industry primarily on car doors and other parts of the car. Reason? Less cost, less weight, great elasticity to resist dents, and for most impact rebounds back to form. It takes a lot of PSI impact to put a dent on it. Excellent weldability due to a decrease of the amount of carbon in steel. Less time welding, easier to keep the integrity of the frame, reduces failure in welds, and reduces weakness of material. A question asked by most people: how does DP780 compare to chromoly? Good question, but they don't compare. Each unique in its own way. What they both have in common is that they are both structurally strong. DP780 has been tested to have more elasticity by design to take more impact. One reason chromoly has been used in the bicycle industry is because of its strength and durability and less weight than high-tan steel. Then aluminum took over the frame industry for the most part, primarily because of less weight and cost. Alton had 3 frames tested with ACT Lab in Manhattan Beach, California for CPSC tests, compliance and standard requirements. We tested these frames over max load of 412 pounds to show us a read of the characteristics of the 3 materials: DP780, chromoly, and steel. Material analysis: one of the unique characteristics that really stands out for DP780 is the modulus of elasticity. DP780 shows 1048 KSI, which is 29 times more flexible in the elasticity region for loading, much more than 4130. So what does this all mean? This is great for a bicycle frame. It allows DP780 tubing to be constructed 0.8 millimeters versus 4130 chromoly, 1 millimeter of thickness. We conducted a test on 3 frames so we can learn how they compare. This is a process done by ACT Laboratories, well known for testing frames integrity. What this video illustrates is an energy test and deflection measured by linear scale of high-tan, 4130, and DP780. What you're seeing is a load applied to each frame up to 412 pounds. The result of this test is that DP780 tested in tube sample is 29 times more flexible and elastic region of loading. I will now show you the results and breaking point, all frames tested under the same load. Okay, this is the first frame that I'm illustrating as far as the breaking point or damage done to the frame after the test. The first one I'm showing you here is a steel frame. As you can see where the damage is, it's pretty pronounced. Now the next frame I'm going to show you is the chromoly frame. On the chromoly frame you can see some damage, but not as pronounced as the steel frame. But you can see a buckle, a clear buckle there on the down tube, and on the top tube is angling down a little bit. The next frame I'm going to illustrate, and again, all 3 of these frames were under the same load, is a DP780 frame. And as you can see, very little damage done to this frame. And I think the biggest reason for that is because it's proven on the tests that we've taken on all 3 of these frames is the elasticity of the DP780 frame. And this is why the end result is what you're seeing with your own eyes. Thank you. DP780 frame, 0.8 millimeter of thickness on frame tubing. Reduces weight but not the integrity of the frame reaction when riding. Because of its unique structure of material, very strong and high elasticity, it will make for a long-lasting frame material. Also, like chromoly, it will be stiff enough when cranking hard. The difference in weight, same size frame, DP780, 4 pounds, and 4130, 4.08 pounds.
Yeah, it looks good.
The weight for chromoly, 4.08 pounds. And now we'll put the DP780 on the scale. Exactly 4 pounds. And that's the difference in weight. Same size frame. Last but not least, with today's economy, we're all looking for a reduced cost of bicycle without losing the integrity of a bike. Looking for the standard minimum spec for the IBD and frame material. This is what really got our attention as a bicycle manufacturer, is the cost of this material, DP780. Material costs compare. DP780 is 35% less than chromoly and 30% less than aluminum. I hope this helped you understand DP780, a bicycle frame with a lot of integrity for less. Thank you for your time.